How to stop Microsoft Edge from opening up automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop Microsoft Edge from opening up automatically. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, the first step that you might want to take is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you will see different options on the left hand side. Head over to apps. After you're on apps, you will see different options. Now on the bottom, you will find an option that says startup. Head over there and right around here, you should find your Microsoft Edge. Now all you need to do is simply turn this off like this, like I did for Microsoft Teams. Simply turn it off for Microsoft Edge. After you do that, Microsoft Edge won't be opening up right after you boot up your device. After you do that, what you'll need to do is you will see default apps. Head over to default apps. And right here, you will see an app for your browser. Now, sometimes your Microsoft Edge will automatically open up because your Microsoft Edge has been set as your default browser. So simply unselect it, make sure that it is not your default browser. And after you do so, your problem should get fixed. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Do not forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.